Hey guys, my name's Jacob. I want to thank you for clicking over to this page. I've got something really special for you today. We've got a free training series. It's 3 simple steps, and if you follow these steps exactly, you have the potential to earn at least $3,880 per month in the next 100 days. This training is for anyone that's been struggling to make money online and anyone that wants to start building residual income online today. All you have to do is enter your email in the box to the right and you'll be taken directly to the free training page. Now, some of you might be wondering what the catch is. Well, honestly, there is no catch. I'm just aiming to help 200 marketers make their very first sale online in the next 100 days. But you have to act now because I'm not going to leave this free training up forever. Once we reach 200 members, I'm pulling this site down. We're going to be doing a relaunch and we're going to be charging at least $297. So get access now while you can for free. All you have to do, enter your email in the box to the right, follow the steps in the training exactly, take action, be consistent, and I'm confident that you will see great results.